What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You can tell I got a package from 1320. Yes, sir. But if you can tell by the title of this video, we're getting a muffler and resonator delete. Plus I'm gonna be adding this part right here. I don't know if y'all gonna like it, but it's my car, so I know I'm gonna like it. So this is just temporary. I'm gonna buy a full setup exhaust later on, but for now I'm just gonna have this on and see how the car is gonna sound. And I hope you guys like it, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. And let's get to the video. Here it is. I ordered some blast pipes. And we got 1320 sticker. I don't know. It's kind of too big. Why not put it on my car? But here it is. Here it is, my blast pipes. Hopefully I can get it mounted on my car for welding. I'm gonna head to a local shop and see if they can do it. Maybe I can get the car on the lift and don't break my front lip. But let's head that way and see if they can do it for us. Sir, we're at A1 Muffler. Hopefully they can get it done. Yeah.
It's not bad, it's just soft.
Here is blast pipes. I'm gonna give you a cold start. do the drive back tomorrow. She's gonna finish cleaning my car right now.
The next day.
This is how the muffler and resonator delay sounds inside the car. Around 50 right now. I don't know how well the iPhone is gonna pick it up. So I'm gonna do second right now. It's alright. It's not too loud, not too quiet. See if we can get a first gear here. Alright, here we go. So that's the muffler and resonator delete. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. And if you like the videos, like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching this video.